Welcome students. In the previous session, we have discussed about computer architecture and organization. In this session, we are going to discuss about computer evolution. Every object in this world has its own architecture. Like human has its own body architecture, car has its own architecture, even building and offices has its own architecture. Architecture defines how function works. The same way, computer has own architecture on which computer runs. There are two types of architectures, Van Neumann architecture and Harvard architecture. Let's discuss Van Neumann architecture. It is designed and developed by the great mathematician and scientist Jan van Neumann in the year 1945. Most of the computers of today's world run on the Van Neumann architecture, whether mainframe or personal computer. Let's see the architecture. Input comes in and stores in the memory. The input becomes a command and ready to process. The processor fetches the command from the memory. There is two parts in the process. First one is control unit and the second one is arithmetic logic unit. The role of control unit is to manage the command and input-output. Arithmetic logic unit is used to perform mathematical function. After processing complete, control unit stores the result in the memory and displays the output. This is a working process of Van Neumann architecture. Let's see the components of Van Neumann architecture. First, input. Input comes through input devices like keyboard, mouse, etc. The second one is memory. Data temporarily stored in a memory called RAM, and the third one is process has two parts. One is control unit. The control unit works like a traffic police. It controls and manages the process and input-output. The control unit fetch and store data to and from memory. 2 is ALU. It is used to perform mathematical calculation like addition, multiplication, division, etc. Fourth one is output. Output displayed through output devices like monitor and printer. Now let's see the evolution of computers. Evolution of computers are characterized by increasing processor speed, increasing memory size, input-output capacity and decreasing computer size. There are two computer families, one is Intel Pentium and the other one is PowerPC. The Intel Pentium represents the result of design effort on complex instruction set computers, that is CISC. It incorporates the design principles found on the mainframe and supercomputers. Now let's see the evolution of Intel. 8080, the world's first general purpose microprocessor with 8-bit machine. This was used in the first personal computers, the Altair. 8086, a powerful 16-bit machine. It was an instruction cache or queue that prefetched few instructions before they are executed. 80286, this is an extension of 8086 enabled addressing a 16 MB memory. 80386, the Intel first 32-bit machine. It supports multitasking, that is, it can run multiple programs simultaneously. Multitasking in the sense, it enables the performance of more than one computer process at the same time with minimal delay in overall performance and without affecting the operation of each task. And then 80486, it is a powerful cache technique and instruction pipelining. It has a built-in math coprocessor. Pipelining is a process of accumulating instruction from the processor through a pipeline. It allows storing and executing instruction in an orderly process. Pentium, it uses superscalar technique which allows multiple instructions to execute in parallel. Multiple instruction in the sense it will run two or more instructions at a time. Pentium Pro, used in register renaming, branch prediction, data flow analysis and speculative execution. Branch prediction is a digital circuit that tries to guess in which way a branch will go before. Pentium 2. This is designed especially to handle video, audio, graphics data effectively. Pentium 3 floating point instructions are used to support 3D graphics software. Pentium 4 additional floating point and other enhancement for multimedia can be made. Itanium. It uses 64-bit organization with IA64 architecture. Itanium 2. This includes a number of hardware enhancements to increase speed. Now let's see the PowerPC. It has reduced instruction set computer, that is RISC architecture. All the instructions have fixed length and are simple. Members of the PowerPC family. 801 of IBM. Powerful and best designed RIC based system. RTPC, a workstation product, not a commercial success. PowerPC, IBM aligns with Motorola and Apple gave this architecture. It has embedded chip application. 601, it is a 32-bit machine which brought PowerPC architecture to market. 603, low-end desktop and portable 32-bit machine with low cost and more efficient implementation. 620, high-end server with 64-bit architecture. G3 integrates two levels of cache in main memory. Cache is nothing but a temporary memory. G4 increases parallelism and internal speed. G5 64-bit machine with improved parallelism and internal speed. Up to this, we have discussed Van Neumann architecture and evolution of computer. Thank you, students.